What's going on, guys? So today I broke out the knife tester here because I want to try a factory edge for the first time. Since having this knife tester, I've probably tested maybe, I don't know, 20 or so different knives, or at least 20 or so, all around tests, but they've all been on used knives. Me testing the sharpness of the knife before I sharpen it and then after I sharpen it, stuff like that. And obviously you guys saw on camera. But I have yet to try a factory edge. So I just recently got a brand new MT Knives Genesis. This is one of my all-time favorite neck knife designs. Definitely in my top 5, possibly top 3. I might do a video like that in the future. People requested that before, like, top favorite folders, EDC folders, gentleman folders, fixed blades, so on. We'll see. I don't know about top videos, only because my opinions do change after a while, and there really are so many knives. It's kind of hard to say all-time favorite top 5 knives. That opinion can change day to day. Just depends on what you're using or what you remember. But anyway, yeah, we're just gonna check this out and see how sharp this is out of the box, brand new. So I am using the filament here, that medium, as opposed to the little clips. And I'm going to do 2 different cuts here just for consistency. All right, so we're at 0. Here we go. I'm testing right about in the middle. 177, that is ridiculously sharp. Let's go ahead and get some more filament. You can see that's broken now. All right, so just to show this real quick, because I've had questions about this when I first posted a video about this tester, and people talking about how to get the same, consistency each time with the tension on this thread. What I do is you lift a little bit more of the medium out, you tighten this nut first, you rest this down, where it's supposed to be, and you wrap it around the base of that screw and just hold it. Now, I'm not pulling very tight at all. What happens is when I'm tightening this down, this screw, that's what's creating the tension. And as long as I'm not pulling on it, it's the same tension every time, all right, which I could feel. So it's taut against both screws there, or nuts, but it's not super tight, it's not super loose. If you do it the same way each time, that's how you get the consistency. So let's try this again just to make sure we are consistent. We cut about the same spot. And we'll see where we're at. Actually, I'm going to rotate that a little bit so it's straight. Back to 0. And here we go. 170. All right, so what was it, 177 and 170? That is really, really sharp right out of the box. All right, awesome little neck knife option. Very cool. If you haven't checked that out, definitely worth looking at. But yeah, pretty cool. That's the first, test of a factory edge. So what a great example to first try it. But in the future, like I said, I may do some really popular common knives if I get them brand new, like let's say a Griptilian or like a PM2 or something along those lines. Of course, you guys can request whatever you want down below, but it just depends on what I happen to get brand new. I would say maybe 75% of the knives I get aren't brand new in the box, but I do get plenty of them over time. It's just sometimes I get lucky and I get to try a knife when it's brand new, and sometimes I get to try it after it's been lightly used. I would say 90 to 95% of the knives I get in trades aren't heavily used. It's actually pretty rare. A lot of people buy knives and just kind of lightly using them, and they're obsessed with knives, so they got to try new ones, which is good for me because I get to try a lot of knives that are practically new. But I'm talking like I want to get it brand new to be able to do a test to be consistent. You know what I mean? Even if you just cut one piece of paper, that can change everything. So anyway, there you go. Extremely, extremely sharp on the Genesis. Very cool. And the machine's still working out great. So any comments, feelings, thoughts down below, let me know. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you soon. Take care.